Hey everyone, Adriel from ActiveDEMAND here. Today I wanted to show you the wait action. We've added a couple things to it to make it a lot more flexible. But first, if you want to find out more about this wait action and some of the wait decisions that we have as well, we have a help article on the ActiveDEMAND Engagement Center where you can see all of the workflow starting steps, actions, and decisions, and that's a handy place to go. Basically, the wait action is designed to stop the automation from doing something right away. So an example might be we have a workflow or a drip campaign and we need to wait a little bit before sending emails repetitively to our prospects. So instead of just going straight to the email, what we might do instead is add a wait in here. So we can go to the actions area there and we can add that wait. And we could say, let's wait for 1 day, for example. And that would be one option that we could use for our wait state. Now this basic wait state here just lets us delay for a specific amount of time. We could wait for an hour or many hours, days, weeks, months, kind of a thing. So these are common to add into drip campaigns where we don't want emails to go out immediately. We might put 3 days in between, a week between, that kind of thing. Now there's another thing that you can use as an option, and that's the predictive send. And what that does is use the signals that ActiveDEMAND's gathered about the specific contact. So if someone's going through this process and we know that they usually open up their emails on Wednesdays at 10 in the morning, if we had both of these checked off, it would wait the 3 days and then see if we can't email them on a Wednesday morning at 10. So this is really nice for making sure that the system hits the right person at the right time. Now this is all fine and dandy until you come across a situation where maybe you don't want to email them on a weekend, and because this can start at any time, the emails could go out at any time as long as we're waiting here. So let's go ahead and delete that one connection. Let's add a wait state to this so we can daisy chain these things together. And this time we can say wait until the first week or day or time. So I like sending out my emails on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Mondays, everyone's always swamped with stuff, and Fridays are always a little bit too busy as well. So I could choose to do this, wait until midweek. And that's an option as well that I could add on here. I can also add those predicted send times, or I can specify the exact time that I want to send that email out as well. And that will let me ensure that I'm not emailing them on the wrong day. Now, the last option I wanted to show you here is the wait until day of the month option. This one's good for really long paced out drip campaigns that you need to send out over a long period of time, where you might want to set the pace of that first contact. So we can say, let's set out for the 5th day of the month at, I don't know, let's say 8 a.m. And again, we can use that predicted send as well. So you can see here that even this basic wait action has a lot of flexibility in it and has a lot of options that you can use to ensure that the system sends the emails at the right time. I'm not going to cover it this time, but there are also a few different decisions that combine a wait state with the system looking for something specifically, whether it be someone opening an email or clicking or some other kind of change. But we'll get into that at another time. If you want to learn more about the workflows in ActiveDEMAND, head on over to engage.activedemand.com. That's our support center. Or head on over to learn.activedemand.com, where you can go to ActiveDEMAND Academy and learn all about marketing automation. Thanks for watching.